latest updates, please subscribe.
हाल ही में पूजा भट्ट को स्पॉट किया गया भमला फाउंडेशन ऑर्गेनाइज वैन महोत्सव पर। इसी के साथ ही बॉलीवुड के गलियारों में पूजा भट्ट रही हैं एक और चीज को लेकर फेमस, और वो था पूजा का पिता को किस। और इसी के साथ ही ऐसी खबरें भी थी कि पूजा के पिता यानी कि महेश भट्ट उनसे शादी भी करना चाहते थे, उन्होंने खुद ही एक इंटरव्यू में कहा था। तो वहीं यहाँ पर पूजा ने मीडिया से की बातचीत, तो आइए आपको सुनाते हैं क्या कहा पूजा ने।
Members of the faculty and my dear young bright sparks out there. I think that you've been in a speech shower, you've heard a lot of speeches from the time you come in, but I'm just going to keep it simple, and I think I'm going to take you for more chance here, because coming here does make me nostalgic as well. Because I stand here in front of you not as an ex-star or a filmmaker, but I stand here as a Bandra girl, somebody who is kind of grown up in this part of town, and when people ask me where are you from, I say Bandra first before I say even Mumbai. There's something about Bandra, there's something about what we all learned growing up in Bandra, and what resonates in my heart are the first few lines that I ever read from the Bible, which says, in the beginning, God created the heavens and the earth. So if you do believe that God created the earth, and if you do believe that this earth is a gift from God, and if you do believe that you and me are trustees and stewards, then it is our duty to protect this gift that's given to us and leave it in a better condition than when we found it. It is believed that we do not inherit the earth from our fathers, but we borrow it from our children. So if this earth is yours, guys, I want to ask you, what have you done today to protect it? Okay, all of you guys are here, you're going to be planting saplings, but you need to take this word beyond this hall. You need to walk this talk. It's not enough to merely sign a petition. It's not enough to merely tweet on your smartphone and retweet and like things on Facebook. You need to nurture, you need to have a sense of belonging and a sense of ownership. Each one of you sitting here can make a huge difference. You know, I go to the Versova beach cleanup with my friend Afroz Shah. I started single-handedly. Everyone told me 2 years ago, you're a madman, you'll never be able to do this. It's been done. It's been done because a sense of community exists on the floor there. And I've seen young kids who are not as privileged as you, who don't have the luxury of going to such a fine school as Stanislaus, who don't have teachers who are barefoot, who wear torn clothes, but they come on and they clean the beach with such passion and such love. And come on guys, you guys have to be the change. Be the change. You know my sister Alia, I'm sure? Well, Alia does a lot for the environment. Each year on her birthday, depending on how old she is, we plant a tree. There's a tradition in our family. So come on, Alia says it's not cool to not care. So you must be cool and you must care. So do you promise to be cool? Yeah. And you know, it's not fair that Sean is an ex-student here and can sing too. It's like a double whammy. You want to let me sing one more song for you guys? I can't hear you. One more song. Do you promise to plant more trees and protect those saplings?
नेक्स्ट 9 न्यूज रूम की रिपोर्ट।